competition. I said we up on a level like my name is Neymar. And you know I'm not normal, there is no competition. I gon' flip and you gon' listen, I'm on 10 like men, even better than them, yeah. The news fucking suck the time and cause 10. But